Mr. View?
Your Honor, in terms of the state's recommendation for the case, I think there are a number of aggravating factors for the court to consider in terms of the seriousness and recidivism factors for the case. I think, first and foremost, that Miss Edwards was on supervision for multiple felonies at the time of this offense. We have major felony crimes of violence, the victims of which are innocent children, as Ms. Kennard indicated. I think the impact on these children of the defendant's crimes are significant, and the court should take those into consideration in determining the seriousness of the case and an appropriate sentence. I think it is telling that Ms. Edwards was in no way really cooperative with the pre-sentence investigation in terms of what her personal situation was, denying any real substance abuse issues in the case, but at the same time testing positive for fentanyl and cocaine, amphetamines at the time. Clearly, at the time she was arrested on this offense, she was in possession of drug paraphernalia and likely was under the influence from the state's perspective at the time that she committed these offenses. I think that those factors the court can look at as aggravating factors in coming to an appropriate sentence. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Martinez, anything from probation?
The only statement in regards to probation standpoint on this case would be that due to the conduct that took place and the harm that was done to the victims, both children, the recommendation is that the defendant be sentenced to prison.
Mr. Engel?
Thank you, Your Honor. I first note our position is we do believe that the robbery offense should merge with the kidnapping offense. As I understand, the two kidnapping offenses would have different victims, and under 12th District and Supreme Court laws, that would probably be enough so that they would not merge, but the robbery appears to be the same course of conduct. As to this case...
Let's talk about merger first. Based upon the facts that are set forth in the PSI, I did read those facts. Also, Dr. Dichting's report did contain some facts as well. Having considered those, based on the facts of this case, I do think that the robbery charges merge into the kidnapping charges. So the court is going to go ahead and make that finding of merger. So we're going to be sentencing on the kidnapping charges only. There we have two counts, different victims. I don't think that's even in dispute that those do not merge.